Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your hardware wallet passphrase with secure storage, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all the necessary materials. You will need your hardware wallet, a computer, and a secure storage solution such as a safe or a fireproof box. Ensure your computer is free of malware by performing a quick scan. Open the software application for your hardware wallet. Connect your hardware wallet to the computer using a USB cable. Follow the on-screen prompts to access your wallet settings. Locate the option to view or manage your passphrase. Write down your passphrase on a piece of paper immediately. Make sure the writing is clear and legible. Verify the accuracy of the passphrase by comparing it to what is displayed on your wallet. Now, find a secure location to store the written passphrase. Consider using a fireproof safe for optimal protection. If you have multiple copies, ensure they are stored in different secure locations. Avoid storing your passphrase on digital devices or online storage solutions. Next, inform a trusted family member or friend about the location of your backup. Revisit your passphrase backup periodically to ensure it remains protected. Consider updating your storage method if your situation changes. Taking these steps will enhance the security of your hardware wallet passphrase. By following this guide, you can ensure that your cryptocurrency holdings remain safe and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.